Dear fellow PhD MSDS graduates of the 2021 class, family, and friends, first of all, please accept my congratulations to you, the 2021 class of graduates. We are very proud of you and your achievements during the unprecedented pandemic. Nearly 3 years ago, City University of Hong Kong established the School of Data Science as the first one in Hong Kong. Although the time has not been easy, our faculty size has grown by 50% since the pandemic began, with all new hires from top universities in the US. We are graduating the second batch of PhD and master students today. After the summer, our school will be home for over 500 bachelor's, master's, and PhD students. You have contributed to this tremendous development. Recently, I was invited to write an article for the Harvard Data Science Review magazine. I was also interviewed by the Cornell Systems Engineering Director on the subject of data science. Next, I would like to share some of my thoughts with you, perhaps as the last lesson on data science. Speaking about the last lesson, you may recall the famous French novel with the same title, 最后一课. In 1870, France was defeated by Prussia, which is mainly Germany now. Schools were ordered to teach in German only from the next day. So it's the last lesson in French. I will frame my last lesson on data science in 5 questions, which you may be asked during your next job or next interview. Question 1, what is data science? Now that's a hard one. Data science provides virtual instruments for people to analyze massive data for scientific discoveries and problem solving. It's like Galileo's telescope, which helped him see stars that others cannot see without them. Data science is instrumental for people to derive knowledge from massive data. It is almost in everything you do with your smartphone, from news feeding to fashion shopping. Question number 2, will data science replace the first principles? One frequent question is whether data science would replace existing science and engineering principles. The answer is no. Rather, data science complements first principles where they are lacking or unknown. Take airplane flying as an example. The airplane is designed with engineering and science principles and made with every part known. However, when flying the airplane, the ambience it flies through is unknown. It is through real-time sensor data and pilot's judgments that the ambient condition is learned. The coexistence of knowns and unknowns is always there in real-world problems. Data science helps us learn the unknowns in a real-time manner. Question number 3, which domain you specialize? Due to the diverse domain and various data science tools, you need to become specialized in one domain, be it social media, fintech, transportation, environment, smart manufacturing, smart cities, or health analytics. The composite expertise you possess is likely the 2 sides of a coin. The composite of both sides makes you valuable. This is why you come to CityU to study data science from very different education backgrounds. Question number 4, can you provide a turnkey solution for my problem? This is a tricky one. Their problems require specialized solutions, just like each patient requires specialized diagnosis and treatment. The fact that data scientists are highly paid is because their specialized skills cannot be replaced by a turnkey solution. Question number 5. Why data science now? Data science happens now because it's driven by successful applications by Amazon, Google, Netflix, JD.com, Tencent, Alibaba, etc. I studied neural networks 30 years ago for my PhD thesis, but it was not called data science. In today's big data successes, statistics, computing, and systems thinking are the pillars of data science, which are integrated to provide successful solutions. Finally, don't be afraid of trying on new applications. Historically, applications often precede theory development. The steam engine by James Watt brought the first industrial revolution from 1776, but the rigorous analysis of why it worked did not happen until nearly a century later by James Maxwell. This concludes my last lesson on data science. At the end of the French novel, The Last Lesson, the teacher wrote on the blackboard, "Viva la France." Now I'm going to say, "Viva la data science." Thank you, and congratulations again.